What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm firmly right now in the middle of another video with my Blackberry dash cam, but because these sort of have an entanglement, like a Jada Pinkett Smith entanglement, we are going to try to put this in at the same time to save some sort of headache and get an idea of what's going on. Real quick, I have my Uniden R8 radar, and originally when I bought the radar I didn't know about this cable, but I knew I was going to go with my blend mount, so I was waiting for that to come back in stock to fit the Escalade. So we're going to put that on, and what I did buy was the Mirror Tap MTX because that's what I've just been familiar with for all these years. Then I did some reading and I don't need Mirror Tap. I found this, which is going to be inside of the electrical area behind the rear view, and it's just like an inline connection that just tosses out a already pre-wired in, perfectly done cable to attach my radar to. So it should be a very clean install versus whatever I was going to be able to muster. And this is from Gen 5 DIY. So I'll link this down below. This way you have an idea of what this part is. Like I said, we're knee deep in this. Let me shut this. I'm just gonna take this piece off here, and that'll give us access. Hopefully everything should be able to come through here, and I might be able to put my wiring through there also, hopefully. We'll see. All right, I was having a little bit of an issue, but I took this and I just ran it straight up. I don't know if you can see so much sun. I just ran it straight up into that area, and this popped down a tiny bit. So there we go, and that should come off. So you could just shove gently straight up into here and it'll pop this off. And then from here, this should just be, I don't know. Everything's so goddamn hot because of the sun. Oh yeah, this is gonna work out real well with the sun. Yeah, this is gonna be a delicious video. Burning my hands right off my body right now, actually. You know, if I was smart, I would have pulled in. Dummy. I've taken quite a few of these off in my day. I'm not that young of a fella. But the clips on this, serious. And I guess that's why videos exist on the internet, okay? Because I can tell you right now, I found this guy, Donslife. I'll probably link down below. He was doing something, I think we might even have the same damn product. I just stumbled on him because I can't figure out how to get this off, right? So here we go. I look, and you know, I thought it could have been a slide thing, so you don't want to like just assume you know how something's gonna come off. So I didn't want to just yank when it could have been a slide. I figured it was gonna be pins, but these are some serious things. Like, you just have to break one, you just have to get one down, and then you're good to go. But holy smokes, that was serious. So this is what we're gonna be working with here. I'm gonna take this off, and it looks like we're just gonna be, is this the piece we're going into? I don't know if that's the piece. No, it's gonna be down here. So it's probably down here. I would assume this is, from the looks of it. Yeah. So I guess we're just gonna tap into that. All right, so I guess this is just gonna go in there like that. And we're gonna take the original connector that we had. And one-handed try to do this. We're just gonna put that in. And I guess we could just you know, it's gonna be like that, but I'm gonna tie strap this so it's nice and neat. Oh my God, lighting much? Let me get a tie strap and hopefully a better view. So this is where we're at currently. I tie strapped right here to the body of this clip, nothing too crazy, and this wire is gonna come down, and I'm assuming it's just gonna come in through on the bottom. Should be able to come out through there. So when I do tuck this back in toward the end, or put the other piece back up, it's just gonna probably come through the bottom of that, ideally. So it'll sit there. But I think I'm gonna end up having far too much than I need. And also, I learned that this and this get very hot, so I don't want things touching them, especially wires here. So next part of this is going to be put this on. Wow, look how dirty my car is. Oh my God. I did say I wasn't going to be able to finish this, and when I say finish this, I mean we're not going to be able to put this back yet. I do have other things that I want to make sure the wiring goes in and like maybe snakes up, or at the very least looks nice and isn't touching anything. Either way, it's gonna look nice. I just wanted to test this. I don't know if just pushing the accessory is gonna turn it on. I think I wired it right. It's gonna be my first time going, so I don't know if I have power. So there's power there, but I don't think, because it's not started. Let's just see if we start it, if that changes it. Oh, it does. Yes. Because the mirror wasn't on. Oh, man. Now, there's going to be a lot more finalizing position-wise. I kind of want to, you know, get it up enough, but then I gotta realize, like right now, it might be where it's gonna just live, because I do have to move this once in a blue. I don't use it often, but I'm not gonna just disable that ability. That's pointless. But I don't know how much, here we go. I don't know how much you're gonna be able to see because of the sun, but this is what we got. And again, these are really hot. These get hot, I guess, because of the camera. But, and then this is just going to be tucked as nice as possible. You're just going to have a little bit of wire, but one wire is awesome. We have a radar now. Not that I need it. I don't have a V. Where am I going with the radar? I've just always had a radar, and I specifically bought the Uniden R8 for this vehicle, so we're gonna have this. But now I'm not gonna be able to keep that in the window. I'm gonna have to make sure I get used to taking that down and out each time, because people were thieving bastards. But yeah, that's it for this install. This piece is incredible. I'm gonna link it down below from Gen 5 DIY. But yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly, truly appreciate it. This is installed, done. Don't worry about the rest of this. This couldn't be easier putting this on again. I mean, you're basically just coming up through the bottom with the mirror down a little bit, and you're just basically tucking this back in. That's it. You're clipping it. Just make sure when you're clipping, you're not pushing too hard unless you know for sure the clip's where it's supposed to be and it's going in. But this is definitely a cool ass radar, and I'm glad I didn't have to mirror tap. I wasn't looking forward to it. I would have probably figured it out, but they suck because you really have to like shove it into things, and I don't like that. That's not a clean look. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. I'll see you guys on the next one.